101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Back to BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Wow, I like it. Okay, I'm going to James. Okay, what is on your mind about passion actually, in your perspective?
Okay, thanks for your question. According into my perspective, the passion is one of the biggest things ever in your life.
Okay.
It has a very broad definition about it, but we can take a core definition about it. It's the greatest definition of what the things that we really interest about it. Well, I'm going to describe about what is my passion actually. Actually, if you want to know that about my passion is always change from time to the time.
Okay.
It based on what does the thing always to influence into myself. Well, but when I was childhood, I always think that my passion is I would like to explore the world. Even I would like to explore into the universe, other planets. But when I'm trying to becoming an adult, I'm trying to find the reality, but it is not a really easy thing to get it. So I'm trying to reduce about my passion, but at least that the passion that I have in my life is what could I have to reach about the passion. Passion, sorry for my mispronunciation, but I'm trying to how to catch my passion as how it adjusts on the reality, not really much thing. My passion actually right now.
Okay, keep your statement. Keep your statement. We will continue. We have to move to the next speaker. What about you, Mr. Rian? When you hear this term, is this term familiar or unfamiliar for you?
Yeah, this term is familiar for me.
Okay.
Since
when you hear about this term?
Yeah, since I was high school.
High school.
Yes.
Okay.
So
what about the definition itself on your perspective about this?
In my perspective, the passion is the passion is what is you how to say what you really like and what do you really like and nobody can beat you in that.
Nobody can beat you.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a very, it's like a unusual explanation, right?
Yeah.
So what really you like it, right? What really you like?
Yeah, I really like English because since I was in junior or senior high school, how to say the subject that I really like is English.
Attract you. You are very interesting with this subject.
Even though I study English since I was elementary school, but I find my passion in English in.
Are you sure your passion is English? But I'm curious that there is something that is the highest than English in your in your life.
If you don't believe me, just check my report.
Okay. I'm still curious, but keep your statement. I will move to Wahid. What about you? Have you ever this? How frequently you hear about this term? How frequently and when?
This term.
Yes.
How to say it?
Istilah. How frequently you hear this term, and when? Seberapa sering? How frequently you hear this term?
Oh yeah, I think like I know like the how to say it? The passion. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to talk about the passion. Yeah, since I have graduated in vocational high school. Yeah, I interested in like about the English. Yeah, same with Ryan. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, I know. Maybe we think like the patient what we like about it, but the patient the patient how we make our patient our subject what we most like about it. We want to what one.
What about the term itself? How frequently you hear this? Is it familiar or unfamiliar in your life about this term? Is it familiar?
Oh yeah, it's familiar.
It's
because,
familiar. When you first time to hear this term?
I think yang the most I know about the patient. Yeah, just if there's like someone tell about the what is the meaning of the patient. Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
When?
Just now.
Just are you sure? Are you sure? Just now.
Yes.
Oh, okay. What is a patient on your mind actually?
Patient in my mind. What we most like about our subject that we want to more advanced learn about it, and nobody want to beat ourselves.
Same with Ryan explanations.
We have to like limit our break our limit beyond our limit.
Okay.
Don't make your limit in yourself. We have to like more learn about what we love, what we most love about it.
Okay, thank you. We will continue about this term actually. Okay, I move to Firda. Okay, for the second question, baby, how I wanna ask you about your style. How can you looking find your patient, even though this is really hard? How can you looking? How can you looking your patient?
Okay, until now, the way I'm looking for my patient, that
Yes.
I shared what is my interesting, my strange. I mean, like I interested with sir anything, like I really like teaching. I mean, something that I know I should share to my friends or my family, like that, cause I think I also like editing, sometimes like that.
May I know what are your hobbies?
My hobbies
Yes.
still same, like
Teaching and
watching
what else?
movie,
Watching
yes,
movie and
editing.
what about others' ability?
Ability,
Yes.
my ability.
Yes.
I can teach. I can teach my sister
teach
and
well.
student. My my
Teach student well.
Yes.
Very well.
Yes. No,
Okay.
I still learn. I still learn actually,
okay.
because when I was in elementary school, I really like to teach my sister, my young sister.
You know the point is, as our brothers say, when we have a patient, people's it's hard to beat us, right? That's
Yeah.
why that is a one of point of passion. So maybe you have something that people's hard to beat you. Do you have?
No.
Still, you still
Yes.
looking fine.
Yes.
Okay. On your mind, what is the difference actually between talent, hobbies, dreams, and passion? Do you have a definition about it? What is the difference?
Actually, they have still similar.
Yes.
That like hobby and talent, and
Yes.
it's the part of passion. So yeah.
Okay, give your statement. I'll move to Samantha.
Yes.
What about you? Maybe you have a style, your own style, the way you're looking fine, even though until now you still not fine yet, right? Okay, do you have like your own style?
Yeah.
How the way you looking fine your
To be honest with you guys, because honestly, I'm not really, I'm not really find what is really my passion.
Okay.
Cause yes, same with
But if you put
Firda.
yourself to
Yes.
looking fine, what the ways, how the ways?
the way I looking
Yes.
my passion.
Even though still now you are still looking fine.
Yeah. I think when you are in the stage of you're comfortable with the thing, with something that you're doing. For example, like when you like to teaching, so you're very comfortable. You very like and love to teach and to see like a lot of students in front of you.
Yeah.
Not like maybe I have tried that. I tried to teach in front of the kids or in front of my friends, but I'm still sweating and and I don't know. I'm still nervous at the time, back at the time, because maybe, and I talk to myself, maybe I'm not. I don't mean to be a teacher because I'm still like trembling, sweating and everything. I'm still nervous when when I'm still.
I see.
Yeah, when I'm still stand in front of my friends.
Okay, we will continue. I move to James. Hi,
Okay,
James.
hey,
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay, still okay.
Okay.
Exciting. Wow.
Your style. How the way you looking find your patient even until now you still not find yet.
Okay.
Do you
well,
have your style? How your
okay,
style?
I'm going to answer your question. Okay, well, right now, as I mentioned before, my passion when I was childhood, I would like to explore around the world and even to the universe. But when I'm going to grow to be an adult, my passion is becoming smaller as what can I get into my life. Well, right now, I'm a college student. I'm at 7th semester, and I've got internship at immigration office, which is I know the process. How do the people to make their own passport? Even though I have my passport, I would like to explore about what are the data documents. How does the people how to register their own passport, either a new passport or extend their almost extension their passport period. I mean, so what is the relation with my passion? So with involving into internship at the immigration office. So I would like to have a more experience on how to registering about the documentation just all by myself. So I could have to go to abroad next time, even though I did it in prior of COVID-19. I would like to explore another countries in the world, and I would like how to get the visas, especially when I'm going to visiting Europe, or European Union or Australia or even United States. And I would like to run for my magister after I have to graduate from my bachelor or my
Okay, keep your
4 years.
statement. We will
Okay,
continue after this. We will be right back after this one.